Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Nicole Grisano, and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. The FDA has approved AstraZeneca's fixed-dose combination drug, Qtern, 10 milligrams dapagliflozin and 5 milligrams saxagliptin, for the treatment of type 2 diabetes as an adjunct to diet and exercise. The drug is indicated to improve blood sugar levels in adults with type 2 diabetes who have been unable to achieve glycemic control with dapagliflozin or who are already treated with dapagliflozin and saxagliptin. The treatment will provide an additional oral medicine option for patients who may benefit from improved blood sugar control with a DPP-4 inhibitor and SGLT2 inhibitor combo in a once-daily tablet. The drug is not meant to treat type 1 diabetes or diabetic ketoacidosis. Endo Pharmaceuticals has voluntarily recalled one lot of its EDEX, alprostadil for injection, 10 micrograms due to lack of sterility assurance, according to an FDA press release. EDEX is a prescription-only intracavernous injection indicated to treat male erectile dysfunction. The recalled product was found to contain a defect in the crimp caps, which could lead to a loss of container closure integrity and cause serious adverse events such as infections both localized at the site of injection and systemically. The product should be immediately discontinued and returned. The recall applies to a 10 microgram strength package in a 2-pack carton, product lot number 208386. Expiration date May 2019. The affected lot was distributed from December 13th of 2016 through February 13th of 2017 through wholesale distributors and pharmacies. Pharmacists may receive more questions about Entresto because of a recent commercial featuring the theme song Tomorrow from the beloved musical Annie. The spot first reminds us that for people with heart failure, tomorrow is not a given. A montage continues with various patients singing the song Tomorrow as the voiceover tells us that Entresto is a medication that helps make more tomorrows possible. The prescription drug is for adults with certain types of long-lasting chronic heart failure. It comes with a long list of people, such as pregnant women, who should not take the drug, as well as a long list of adverse effects. So pharmacists have an opportunity to help patients with chronic heart failure research whether the drug may be right for them. Finally, children have an increased chance of drug overdose when their mothers are prescribed opioids, a study published in Pediatrics reports. Young children had more than twice the risk for overdose compared with children whose mothers were prescribed NSAIDs rather than opioids. The researchers identified children 10 years old and younger whose mothers received subsidized prescriptions for an opioid or NSAID in the previous year. Out of the children identified, 103 were presented to a hospital with opioid overdose. The researchers concluded that providers serve an important role in assuring safety in patients who are prescribed opioids. Prescribers can opt for alternatives or prescribe smaller quantities of opioids when appropriate, and providers can counsel families on safe drug storage and pill disposal. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Nicole Grisano at the Pharmacy Times News Network.